This is a quick tutorial on how to create a daily check-in form and post it to your Google Classroom. Let's get started. In this session, we will use the template gallery to create your form. We'll post it in your Google Classroom and check to see how the results look. So, using the template gallery to create your form. Along with this video, you got a link. I need you to click on that URL, and this is the screen you will see. Make sure you're under the Salem Board of Education tab and not the General tab. Once you're here, click on the template right in the center. How did your day go? You will now have a copy of the form. Now, if you don't want to call it How Did Your Day Go, you can rename it if you'd like. And if you don't like the color picture I've chosen, you can use the palette and make your own selection. So our first step is done. We use the template gallery and you created your form. Now we're going to post it in your Google Classroom. Go to your classroom, and I think the best place to post this is in the stream. That's the first thing the kids see every day, and it won't get caught up with all your other classwork assignment. So click the Share Something with Your Class box. Once you do that, you can write your message in here, whatever you want to say. Notice up top here, you can post the same form to multiple classes. Now, if you do this, that's fine, but all your data will be together. So I think if you're going to do that, you may want to add a question to the form about what period it was. If not, make a copy of the form and post a different copy to each classroom. It's your choice how you decide to distribute it. And to make it, just a side note, to make a copy of that form you made, just click on the three dots and make a copy. And then you can make one for your period 2 class and make a copy for your period 3 class and so on. Or if you just want all the data all together, just post it one time to multiple classes. Go to Add and then go to Google Drive. Couple things. Recent, select, and add. So go to the Recent tab. You'll see the form you want to add. Click Select and then click Add. And it has gone ahead and posted it, added it right to your post. When you're all set, hit the Post button and it's there. So down to part 3, how to see the results. Before we were looking at the question section, now I want you to look at the responses section of your form. And I've done a few responses so you can see them. While you're in Google Forms in the Response tab, you'll see not only the input, but where Google can, it'll create a pie chart for you. So you can get some data here, results, without doing anything else. But if you want to look at it in a spreadsheet format, you have that option as well. Next to the responses and next to the little snowman, you see this icon? It's the white plus the green box. If you click that, you'll see the screen below. It'll say, do you want to create a new spreadsheet? You say yes. You hit create. And now you will have a spreadsheet with the same data that you had on the form. Now, I like the timestamp because then you can kind of see when the kids filled it out. And then, of course, you can sort this by child, by any kind of data that you want, but you can see the results that way. So in closing, you're going to use the link to open the template gallery to make your own form. You're going to post it in your stream. And again, you have choices. You can post the same form in every class. That way your data will be all together. Or feel free to make a copy of your form and you can post a different form in each class, and then you'll have period 2 data on one spreadsheet, period 3 data on one spreadsheet. I think at this stage of the game, it might be better to keep it all together, but that's clearly your option. And then you want to check daily. You may want to move that post, if you're using the stream frequently, to the top, so it's the first thing they see and they get used to it. Again, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.